Good morning to everybody.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning. Good morning. According to my phone, it's 26 degrees outside. I hope you're all indoors, warm and dry.
More fun outside.
And there's a breeze, so the wind chill is really low. All right, I'm going to call the docket for February the 4th. First off, 603-205, State versus Joshua Baxter, attorney, David Cuellar.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Cuellar.
Good morning, sir.
Mr.
Judge, we can't see you.
Oh. See my picture? There we are.
Yeah.
I don't.
Let me enlighten you all a little bit here. There you go. Excuse me. All right. Mr. Baxter.
Your Honor, he is applying for the mental health court. He has an interview on February 8th, so that's on Tuesday. Trying to resolve all of his cases.
Okay, well, he's listed as a fugitive. Do you know why?
Yes, I think he just has those. He has several cases, and he picked up the warrant because he was in non-compliance. I think this was the one where he couldn't get an affidavit from the owner of the vehicle, and because of that, I think he
I see.
issued a warrant. But
All right.
I'm in contact with him, and I don't know if he's going to try to postpone on those
Well,
warrants.
let's see what's going on, David. We'll recall it on, you said he's got a hearing on the 8th?
On the 8th at 1:30, he has an interview for mental health.
Well, let's recall this in 1 week.
From today,
Yeah, a week from today. That should be the 11th.
February 12th. I'm sorry, 11th. Yes.
11th of February.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, you're welcome. You're excused, sir. 606-132, State versus Tyler Stevenson, attorney, David Volk.
Here, Your Honor.
Judge, we're present. I would like to confer. I've tried to confer with many prosecutors on this case. It's a non-alcohol DWI. I'd like to get resolution today with the state if possible.
Hello. All right, Mr. Volk, we're gonna list you number 1 to confer. 607-599, State versus Alicia Parker, attorney, John Charles Bunk.
Yes, Judge, I'm present. It's Alicia
Good morning,
Parker.
Parker, yes.
Good morning.
Mr. Bunk. Charles Bunk, no response. You'll stick around for him, ma'am.
All right.
611-787, State versus Frank Aceves, attorney, Rochelle Acevedo. Frank Aceves is marked absent. Rochelle Acevedo, not here either, no response. 627-834, State versus Mario Sandoval, attorney, David Garcia. Mario Sandoval is marked absent. David Garcia, also no response. 631-128, State versus Eric Barber, attorney, Leslie Sahanovich.
Yes, sir. I'm right here. How you doing, Your Honor?
Good morning, Mr. Barber. I am well. How about you?
I'm definitely good, sir. Thank you.
Good. Have you heard from Mr. Sahanovich?
No, sir, I haven't.
All right, we'll stick around a while. Let's see if he shows up. If not, we'll try and track him down.
Thank you very much.
631-610. You're welcome, sir. Azim Qureshi, and the attorney is Brent De La Paz.
Good morning, Your Honor. We're both present. May I speak with the prosecutor, please?
Of course, you're number 2 to confer. This
Thank
was
you.
set for jury trial. Of course, as you know, we got no juries.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is Mr. Qureshi here?
Yes, Your
Yes,
Honor.
yes, I am, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good
All
morning.
right. You're number 2 to confer, Brent. 633496, State versus Lionel Stevens, attorney, William Simmons.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm present on that, on the trial docket, Judge. We're trying to get this resolved as quickly as possible. If we could, but we are willing to confer on it again, Judge.
Very good. You are number
Also,
2.
Judge, we have a motion on a off docket. Well, no, he's on the docket to approach on a motion to terminate probation. Do you want us just to do that after docket and just approach?
Yeah, just do that after docket. It won't,
Yes, sir.
it won't be long. And is Mr. Stevens around?
Yes, Your Honor, I am present. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Stevens. Now, Bill, this fellow is listed as a fugitive. You might need to check that out. 637770, State versus Domine Saveri, and that is Scott Simpkins.
Counsel is present, Your Honor. So is my client.
Very good. Good morning to you. What you got going this morning?
I'd just like to confer with state on this one.
Okay, sir. You are listed as number 4 to confer. It shouldn't take long.
May my client be excused while I'm conferring, Your Honor.
Mr. Saveri, your attorney has asked that you be excused. He'll be doing some work for you. You stay in close communication with Mr. Simpkins. You hear?
Okay.
Oh, Ms. Saveri, is it? I'm sorry. I thought it was a gentleman.
Okay. It's okay.
All right. Ms. Saveri, you have a good day.
You too.
643759, State versus Jesus Luna Lopez, attorney, Robert Barrera. Jesus Luna Lopez is absent. Mr. Barrera, so absent also. 646157, State versus Gabriel Gonzalez, attorney, Linda Corley.
Present, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning,
Good morning.
Judge.
Linda.
We're set on the trial call docket, and
I know you are.
I don't believe we need to confer again, Miguel.
Actually, I would like to confer just to
Okay.
solidify what the last offer was, Judge.
Okay, Judge, if it's okay, I'm going to leave this in Mr.
Who's-
Nahara's
no.
capable hands.
I've got Linda and Miguel. Are you both working on this case?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Judge. I filed my notice of appearance as co-counsel. It was accepted, so it's in the system.
What makes you think that I would know that?
Wait, Judge, we thought you were all knowing.
Yeah. Okie dokie. So y'all are gonna go ahead and confer on this?
Yes, Judge, I'll confer. I'll confer in lieu of Miss Corley.
All righty. Very
And
good.
Judge, I'm going to go ahead and go. I believe my client is present.
Yes, sir, I'm present.
I thought I heard him respond. Yes, sir. Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Okay, guys.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Miguel.
Stay warm. 658738, State versus Jeremy Delgado, attorney, Michael Zamora.
Yes, I'm present. I believe he is. I saw Jeremy's iPhone. I believe that's him.
Yes, sir, I'm present.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I do need to confer with the state, and if my client could be excused at this time.
Mr. Delgado, at your attorney's request, I'm going to release you for the day. You stay in communication with Mr. Zamora here.
Yes, sir.
Take care.
Thank you. Bye.
66132, State versus Ray Castillo, attorney, Jose Rocha.
That case has been reset, Judge.
All right. And 671210, State versus Henry Ruiz, attorney, Hector Garza Jun. Henry Ruiz is absent. Hector Garza, no better. He's not responding. Is that it, Linda?
That's it.
All right, folks. The attorneys will confer. and we'll see if we get some of our absent
Hey, Judge,
check in. Yes.
this is Leslie Sahanovich. I just checked in. Sorry, Judge.
Leslie, how are you?
Good, Judge. I was here for Eric Barber, and I'd like to confer with the state.
Very good. You'll be number 7, I think. Shouldn't take long. Yeah.
Good morning, Judge. This is Charles Buck. I was a couple of minutes late to logging in. I apologize.
No problem, Charles. Good to see you. You okay? Charles, what are you gonna do with your case? Charles Bunk. For some reason, I cannot hear you, Charles Bunk. John Charles Bunk. Hello. I see you in a vehicle and I don't hear you. Did you want to confer? Show me your index finger if you want to confer.
I don't think he can hear us, Judge.
Yeah, he's got a problem. He's in a vehicle, looks like. I'm almost
Yeah.
certain. Charlie Bunk. Charles Bunk. Okay, well, we know he's here, at least. We'll see when he checks back in. Anyone else need to check in? Attorney.
Mario Sandoval.
Mario Sandoval. Are you an attorney?
David Garcia.
David Garcia. Okay, Mr. Sandoval, I've got you marked present. Your attorney is not here yet. Just relax and wait for him.
Yes, sir.
Who else needs to check in?
I'd like to check in, Judge Charles Bunk.
Charles Bunk, there you are. We kept yelling at you and couldn't hear anything.
I'm
from
sorry,
you.
my audio is all messed up. I'm in Houston, so.
Oh, lucky you.
No, not today, but I'm still here, so.
Okay, Charles, did you want to try and confer or you want to reset?
I need to just be put on your trial docket, Judge.
All right, we're going to put you on trial docket. Charles, you be careful. You're on the road, I can tell.
Yes, sir. Thank you. May my client be excused as well?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank
Alicia
you.
Parker, you're excused, ma'am.
Charles?
All right, thank you.
It's gonna be April 1st.
Okay, all right.
May I
thank you.
Careful, Charles. Take care. All right, who wants to approach?
David Volk, Judge. I have Tyler
David.
Steve.
Yeah, Rod, you were number 1 to confer. You through conferring?
We did confer. Mr. Delco is going to review the file. I sent over, again, a lot of the information that I thought was exculpatory. This is a 0 alcohol DWI with alleged medications that are still not presentable as terms of evidence. So there are discovery issues on this very old case from 2019. January 2019. So he's going to take a hard look at it. He wanted 30 days to review it and said he would prioritize it. I do believe that he will. He also asked me for proof of prescriptions, which I'll be able to produce.
Very good.
So maybe
we'll reset you 30 days, okay?
Thank you. Do we get a specific date or?
Yeah. March 11th.
Okay. I won't be available that week. It's spring break.
Okay.
So either before that or 2 weeks after that.
2 weeks after that? Okay.
Yeah.
Hold on. The 21st?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, we'll see you guys March 21st, and I'll report to the court if we hear sooner than that on this case. And may my client and I be excused, Judge?
You are excused, Mr. Wolf. Thank you.
Thank you.
Anyone else need to check in with the court? All right. Just relax. We'll see where the conferring goes. We have Mr. De La Paz conferring right now.
I believe that is who is conferring. Hold on, let me check. Yes, that is who is conferring right now.
Court will be in recess then.
Your Honor, can I report back?
Mr. De La Paz, yes, sir.
Your Honor, speaking with Kenny, there's a couple of things. I guess we're missing Coban, but he's going to work on it. But I say that, but I think we're working towards a resolution. I'm open to whatever Your Honor wants to do as far as a setting. He said to give him about 3 weeks, and then we can regroup, hopefully with a disposition. But I don't want to hold his feet to the fire just yet on whether or not he can.
We're gonna do 3 weeks for disposition. At that point, we'll decide with.
Okay, fair enough, Your Honor.
All right. Brent, take care, stay safe.
Thank you, Your Honor. And be excused.
You are excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your client also make sure they know.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Take care.
Brent,
Be sure you send him a text, let him know. We should have William Simmons and, no, that's already done. Be now Mr. Scott Simpkins. Is Ashley Haas not here with us today?
I haven't heard from her. I thought she was going to be here today.
You might touch base with Rochelle Acevedo's office. Neither she nor her client are here. Then after that, you check on David Garcia. His client is here, but not David. Did you get to contact Rochelle's office, Linda?
I'm on the phone with them, Judge.
Okay. Thank you. Bill Simmons, I saw you.
Yes, Your Honor. We've conferred on that matter. They're going to review it for some possible things that we can do to possibly get it resolved, Judge. But we'd still like to stay on the trial docket just in case, Judge. And again, I know the court, we're trying to get it tried because he's been dealing with this for up to almost 2 years now, Judge, and he still has that device.
I hear you. We're here on April 1 will be the trial docket recall.
Okay, Judge.
Feel free to work with the state between now and then, see what you can do.
That's what we're doing. We confer with Mr. Delco. Mr. Stevens, I'm gonna be calling you here, sir, probably within the next 15 minutes. Okay.
Absolutely. I'll be looking forward.
Are we excused, Your Honor?
You are excused. Take care of yourself, Bill.
Thank you. Stay warm, everyone.
Oh, and also, Judge, I had that matter that I wanted to approach on, but I'm trying to get in touch with my client to get him logged on, Mr. Carmichael. I don't know, if he's logged on or not.
I have not. I'm not aware that he's here.
Once I get him, Judge, I'll reapproach. Thank you.
All righty. Scott Simpkins should be up at bat.
Permission to approach, Your Honor.
Bill Simmons.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Carmichael, it's just he's logged on now, Judge. And this is on that motion to terminate the probation, Judge.
Okay. What do we got?
Judge, he was placed on.
Bill, what's his case number? 'Cause I don't think he's on the docket, right?
I know Ms. Flores said that we could approach on it after the docket. I have the case number. Motion.
give me the case number.
Yes, Judge, it's 631150.
What's his first name?
Vernon
Carmichael.
Carmichael. Yes, Your Honor.
And the charge, Bill?
It's a unlawful carry, Judge.
Okay,
And Judge, he was placed on as deferred on the 14th for a period of 6 months. He's completed all of the terms and conditions. I sent that information over to probation, but he did make to the Gabriel Project. He's made that donation. He has paid his court cost, Judge, and he also went above and beyond on the advice of counsel to get a gun safety course, which has also been sent, which was not ordered, but he did do that, and also to get a driver's safety course, Judge. The state, it should be notated on his file, is not opposed to early termination, and so, Judge, we would ask the court to terminate his probation.
well, as an officer of the court, I'll take your word that the state is not opposed. So we'll go ahead and Linda,
Yes, Judge.
on case 631150, we're going to terminate the probation. Was that a deferred, Bill?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, no
And I've
problem.
already filed it within the orders there as well, Judge.
Very good.
Your Honor, I'll turn over the termination paperwork to you.
Very good.
And if you don't mind, could you CC me on that, Ms. Luna?
Yes.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Are we excused, Your Honor?
Bill, take care of yourself. Stay warm and dry.
Warm too. Mr. Carmichael, I'll be following up with you here probably in about 30 minutes, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. You can log off, Mr. Carmichael.
Okay.
Scott Simpkins, are you in? Is he in a conference or is he through?
Let me check. He is in conference.
All right. Did you contact Rochelle's office?
Yes, they were having difficulty logging on, so I told them, I said, well, we use the same number and everything, so they're gonna try to log on again.
All righty, thank you. How about,
Yeah, and I called David Garcia and I left him a voicemail message to call.
that leaves us Bobby Barrera and Hector Garza unaccounted for.
Yes.
The reports, Linda, are that the reports I'm getting are that that conferring is being done with Kenny Delco.
Yes, yes, I made him co-host and he's in there with, I forgot who it is right now, but he's in with somebody right now.
Simpkins,
Yes, Simpkins, yes.
to be followed by Nájera and then
Yes,
Mora,
yes.
and finally Sahanovic. Or I think he said Sahanovic.
Yes.
We have our docket for Monday already.
I have it. I will be sending it out. I'm gonna go in tomorrow since I didn't get to go in yesterday or today. So I'll be going in tomorrow and working on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays and sending them all out.
Very good. All righty. Ms. Luna,
Yes, Your Honor.
why don't you just remain available? We'll call you if we need you. Doesn't look like anybody's looking to make a plea.
Okay, Judge, I'm here. I'm just doing some work.
Alrighty. And Kayleen, the same thing with you. I don't see us doing any pleas this morning, so you're free to do what you need to do. If we need you, we'll call you.
Okay, thank you, Judge. Appreciate that. I'll be available.
Thank you, dear.
And Linda, you call me, right?
Yes, I'll call you.
All right, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Hi, Linda.
Hi.
Okay, just give me a call if y'all need me.
We will.
Okay, thank you. Y'all stay warm.
Stay warm and dry. Scott Simpkins.
Your Honor, I've conferred with Mr. Delco, I believe it is, Declo, the new
Delco.
Delco,
Take the batteries or whatever it was they used to.
AC Delco.
There you go.
I'm old enough to remember that. I have conferred with him. We might have the situation worked out. I'd like one reset. I've got to convey something to my client, get some documentation from her.
All right, Scott, you want this, you want it kept on trial or just like a 30-day reset?
Honestly, keep it on trial.
All right, that'll be 1 April.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You
May I be
take care.
excused?
Of course, take care and stay safe and dry and warm.
You too, Your Honor.
I got to. All right, that should be Mr. Nahid. I'm now conferring.
Yes. Mike,
Yes.
did I need to put you in a breakout room so I can put you in right after Miguel?
Yeah, I've been,
Okay, sorry.
waiting for him.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in on number 7.
Thank you.
Be under right after, or number 6. Hold on, give me a second.
No, number 6 should be.
Yeah, number 6.
Number 6 is Michael Zamora.
Yeah, it should be. Okay, give me a second, Michael. I'll put you in right now.
Thanks.
All right, 6.
Got it. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
All right, I'm gonna take about a 10-minute break.
Okay, Judge. Mr. Craig? Johnny Craig,
Yes, ma'am.
did you get my chat message? I told you you could go ahead and log off. I'm so sorry. I'm working from home and I did not realize that I overlooked your GPS thing yesterday. So I will send it once we are done and then you can check back with the clerks after lunch today.
Okay, thank you very
Okay?
much.
You're welcome. You can log
Okay.
on.
All right.
All right.
Judge, may I approach real quick?
Miguel, he took a 10-minute break.
No problem. I need to confer with my client, Mr. Gonzalez, and we're gonna ask for one reset. I just got an updated plea offer, and I need to kind of go through some of the evidence with him.
Okay.
I guess obviously everything's shut down this month anyway.
Yeah. Do you want to keep it on the trial docket or?
Let me chat with my. Can I be put in a
Yeah.
breakout room with my client,
Who's your which one's your client?
Mr. Gabriel Gonzalez?
Oh, okay, there you are. Okay, let me put y'all in the breakout room. Give me a minute. Or you know what, Miguel, go back to 5 and I'll put him in there with you.
Okie doke, I'm on my way.
All right.
Is he a lawyer?
Linda, I am back from talking to my client. I'd like to put it on a plea docket. I still need to go through some of the evidence with him. I don't think Miss Corley went through all of it with him. Not that I'm trying to hurt her, but at this point, I think there is a potential to plea it out. Or what I could do is leave it on the trial docket, and because I'm meeting with him this next week, if we decide to plea, I can email you saying, hey, you know what, we worked out a plea, and then move it to a plea, whatever works best for you.
Okay, that's fine. We can leave it on the trial docket, which would be April 1st.
Okay.
And then give me a call. And then when you call me, and you say, yeah, we decided to go ahead and plea it out, then I'll just need your client's email address so I can give it to the prosecutors.
Okay.
And that way we can do it like maybe 2 weeks out or so.
Okay, perfect. Perfect. Now he didn't know how to get out of the breakout room. I'm gonna go back over there. Can I excuse him from there?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Okay, April 1st. I'll tell him. Sounds good.
All right. All right. Mr. Zamora?
Yes. I was able to confirm with the state. He needs to get a hold of the prosecutor that's handling this. There's a pretrial offer, and for some reason they don't want to make it just a regular deferred. So he wants to talk to her about it. So if I could just get a brief reset, maybe is Thursday the 17th of this month an option?
Yeah, we can do Thursday the 17th. I'll put you down for Thursday the 17th then for a reset.
Thank you. I'm going to make note of it now, but will I be getting an email as far as the new setting date?
No, well, I'll send out the link probably like that weekend before or so, but yeah.
Okay. It's funny because some people send it the day of, some people send it 2 weeks earlier, and then you go back to all your emails trying to figure out who's doing what. Just makes it a little more interesting. But
No,
I'll make note of it now.
Yeah, that's why I try to give it to you guys now, so that way I don't have to send that out.
Okay, so February 17th.
February 17th, yes.
And set for another pretrial conference.
Pretrial conference, yes.
Got it. I'll make note of it. You have a good weekend.
You too.
Do I have to talk to the judge before being excused, or can I leave?
No, you can leave. That's fine. I'll let him know what happened.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning, Linda.
Good morning, Ashley. How you doing this morning?
I'm good. It sounds like you guys are probably about done.
Almost done, yes. Just about.
I just finished jail court, so.
Oh, is that what you were doing? I thought maybe the blankets got stuck or something. Yeah, I wouldn't blame you. It's to go this morning.
Oh, I wish. No, we had jail court, but I have news for you and Judge.
What's that? You're moving.
I am. I got promoted.
Oh, good for you. Congratulations.
So I'm going to juvenile felony.
Oh, okay. That's different. That's different.
So I'm excited. I got the call last night afterwards. So.
Did you apply for that or something, or?
Nope. Just they needed the help, looked at who would be good in that position, and my name came up. So I'm thrilled.
Well, good for you. Sorry,
I'm bummed I won't be in the courtroom anymore, but or in the courthouse. I'll be out at the Juvenile Justice Center.